Starting around the 25th of April 2023, Dogelon Mars in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.34% in absolute most recent 60-minute, which generally is genuinely critical. ELON in a real sense has a fundamentally complete market cap of $146,550,211 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,552,796. This in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars extremely positioning at 184 in the digital currency market and in an every practical sense, significant way. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars generally be most certainly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Dogelon Mars an especially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an every practical sense, huge way? Will ELON cost by and large outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought? These basically are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future, which truly is very critical. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ELON cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross an extremely normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the truly current year ought to really be $0, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Besides, ELON can, all things considered, arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0 in unpretentious manner. ELON value figure April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is estimated to, in every way that really matters, be at around a genuinely least worth of $0, or so they essentially thought. The Dogelon Mars value worth can truly arrive at a really limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, which explicitly is genuinely critical. ELON value conjecture May 2023. With respect to May 2023, Dogelon Mars explicitly is supposed to especially arrive at a very least value worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The ELON cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0, the sort of typical cost around $0 a kind of significant manner. Dogelon Mars value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Dogelon Mars cost in every way that really matters is conjectured to arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. The ELON cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0, the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0, which really is very huge. Dogelon Mars value conjecture July 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost for July 2023 may generally arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0. The truly most extreme gauge cost basically is around $0, a truly significant manner. The truly normal cost for ELON explicitly is really anticipated to generally reach $0 July 2023. Which basically is very critical. Dogelon Mars value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Dogelon Mars cost by and large is gauged to especially arrive at a very the least cost of $0, exhibiting that the for the most part normal cost for ELON generally is truly anticipated to reach $0 July 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ELON cost could sort of arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0, the genuinely normal expected cost around $0 a very enormous manner. Dogelon Mars value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Dogelon Mars cost for the most part is estimate to arrive at a practically the least cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. The ELON cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0, the very normal expected cost around $0. Truly further appearance how Elon basically has a genuinely complete market cap of $146,550,211 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,552,796, which truly is genuinely critical. ELON value gauge October 2023. The Dogelon Mars figure for October 2023 expects that the ELON may explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0 and essentially least cost of around $0 a genuinely significant manner. Discussing the extremely normal value ELON can generally stretch around $0 October in a very huge manner. ELON value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Dogelon Mars for the most part is supposed to in every way that really matters arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0 in exceptionally large manner. The ELON cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0, the typical cost around $0 in unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars value conjecture December 2023. The by and large normal cost of Dogelon Mars could in every practical sense, Go to $0 the finish of December 2023, showing how generally is Dogelon Mars a sort of wise venture or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Elon could in every practical sense be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $0 the in every way that really matters, least expected cost of $0, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been generally diminished by 2.35% in its sort of current worth in a sort of significant manner. On the off chance that we generally look at the by and large current market cap of the ELON with yesterday, you can sort of see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. Certainly further appearance how Dogelon Mars value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Dogelon Mars cost generally is gauged to all things considered, arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $0. Dogelon Mars for the most part is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The ELON especially is down to nearly 19.63% over the most recent 7-day. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past lovely few days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't in a real sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource and extremely momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will by and large be Dogelon Mars kind of worth in 2023, which sort of is very critical. The ELON cost basically is guanched to explicitly arrive at a really greatest degree of $0, certainly least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Does Dogelon Mars certainly have a future in a significant manner? As far as value, Dogelon Mars certainly has an exceptional by and large potential to really arrive at new levels, which generally is very huge. It is gauged that ELON will increment in esteem, showing how Dogelon Mars truly passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been essentially diminished by 2.35% in its really current worth in a by and large significant manner, as per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts. Dogelon Mars can generally raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of $0 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Dogelon Mars truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Dogelon Mars' worth explicitly is supposed to really keep on extending, as deficiency will in general especially support cost descend in an unobtrusive manner. If it's not too much trouble. Note, there truly is a gamble to any venture. By and large further appearance how discussing the genuinely normal value ELON can in every practical sense stretch around $0 October, which truly is genuinely critical. Only generally put resources into what you can really achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the kind of most extreme exploration conceivable, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking.